Hey YouTube, in this video we're going to go over the AD200 or Evolve 200 extension head. Welcome back everyone. You guys asked me to weigh in on the Godox EC200 aka the XP200 from Flashpoint, which is a 6-foot extension head for the Godox AD200 or the Evolve 200. One of the best things about the Godox AD200 is just how small and portable it is. One of the worst things about the Godox AD200 is that it can still fall over, and if it does, that display is really susceptible to getting damaged. Godox has made extension heads for their other larger lights before, and due to demand they have now released one for the AD200 as well. It's a very simple product that allows you to take any of the 3 heads from the AD200 and mount it onto this tiny adapter, which then gives you 6 feet of extension so that you can lower its position on the stand or put it somewhere on your assistant's body. By taking the body of the AD200 off of the top of a stand and making it much lower on the stand, you're much less likely to damage it if there's any type of fall. Or if you have an assistant who's using your light on top of a monopod, then they've got a super lightweight setup that they can manipulate very easily. Actually, it's so lightweight that you can even manipulate it yourself while you're holding the camera with the other hand. The base has a 1/4-20 thread as well as a cold shoe mount. This means you can mount it to any light stand, to any monopod, or to any type of cold shoe mounting adapter. You can also put it on top of the Godox X1T transmitter if you want a powerhouse on-camera setup. This will also fit inside the Bowens S-mount adapter, or you can plug it on the back of an ADB2 if you want to double up. There was a brief issue where the first release of this product did not fit 2 on the back of an ADB2 accessory. I actually said I had no interest in reviewing this product until they fixed that because it was such a big oversight. So this has since been solved, but just make sure wherever you're buying from has the 2nd generation of this product. Add a Remeless V2 in the product title so that you know you're getting the right one. With any type of extension cable, you always have to be concerned about power loss. Thankfully, it's really modest with this extension head, which is likely because it's only 6 feet long. You only tend to lose about 0.2 to 0.3 stops of light when using the extension head. I also appreciate the addition of the push lock for securing the flash head's position. It really helps, especially if you go to put some larger modifiers around the bare bulb. All in all, it does its one job really well and will satisfy users looking to increase the mobility or decrease the risk of using the AD200. With this and more recent accessories like the round head, it is just crazy to look at how much the AD200 system has expanded in the last year. What started out as a portable flash with 2 heads and a grid is now this entire ecosystem of products that allows users to really fine-tune how they want to use it. I love this approach because it allows photographers to adapt and build a system that is really specific to their workflow rather than forcing you to buy one gigantic kit that you're not going to use most of. Alright guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this quick look at the Godox EC200 for the AD200. Like if you enjoyed the video, comment with any questions, subscribe if you'd like to see more of my videos, and until next time, keep on shooting YouTube.